This channel has uploaded only 107 videos and has already gained a massive 1.4 million subscribers. It's booming. Crazy, right? The growth is just unbelievable. But don't worry if you're just starting. I know exactly why this channel blew up. It tapped into a niche that is trending right now. And here's the good news. You can do it too. In every video, I bring you fresh niche ideas and introduce powerful new tools to help you succeed. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create these same types of viral videos and earn real money online. I get so many comments from fellow creators saying, "My channel is not growing. What should I do?" The answer is simple. You're missing the right SEO and strategy. Without proper optimization, even the best content won't reach its audience. That's why I've made a full, detailed video about YouTube SEO and understanding the algorithm. You'll find the link in the description. Watch it, apply the tips, and you'll start to see real growth and earnings. This niche is a gold mine. Videos in this category pull in massive views and can earn you thousands of dollars per month. According to Social Blade reports, this particular channel earns thousands of dollars monthly, and almost no one knows about this niche. But you're in luck. I'm here to guide you. I'll show you exactly how to create these types of videos, what tools to use, and how to stand out. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and stay tuned for more valuable updates and tutorials. Let's grow and earn together. So let's get started. First, just take a screenshot from any video on the channel, the video style you want to create. Then, paste that image into ChatGPT and say, "I want to create this type of video. I want everything to be the same, with no changes to the character. Please make sure to use the same baby calf with curly white fur and big, innocent eyes, dressed like a student in rolled-up jeans and a buttoned shirt. Please provide me with 8 short video prompts." That's it. ChatGPT will then generate 8 perfect video ideas for you in the exact same style. Super simple and super powerful. These prompts will help you design stunning, eye-catching animated shorts that attract views and subscribers. By following this simple method, you can create viral videos without any complex skills. Many creators are already using this powerful strategy to grow their channels rapidly and earn substantial revenue. Don't miss the opportunity. Start today and explore the endless possibilities of AI-powered video creation. Now it's time to create something amazing. Let's generate truly stunning videos and images using just one powerful tool, magichour AI. I'm introducing this tool to you because it works incredibly well and has everything you need in one place. There are 3 key features I want to highlight. magichour offers all-in-one video and image creation. This includes text to video, video to video, image to video, face swap, and much more. magichour can generate some of the longest AI videos, up to 60 seconds, with just a single prompt. magichour provides 90% of its tools completely free, so you can experiment and create without any upfront cost or commitment. Yes, that's right. You can create AI images, AI videos, convert images to videos, do face swaps, and so much more with just one tool. So, let's get started with image generation. First, click on the AI image generator option. Then, paste your prompt into the prompt section. Choose your desired style, such as 3D, Disney style, DND art, or any style that fits your vision. magichour will fulfill all your creative needs. Next, select the image ratio. Use 9:16 for TikTok and Instagram Reels. Use 16, 9 for YouTube long-form videos. Set the number of images you want to generate, then simply click Generate. In less than a minute, magichour will deliver an incredible, professional-quality animated image. You can repeat the process. Just tweak your prompt or settings and generate more images one by one. Once you have all your images, you're ready to start creating your video content. It's that easy and powerful. Now that your images are ready, go to the Image to Video section. Simply drag your image into the tool. There's no need to paste a long or complicated prompt. Just type, "Animate this picture," and let Magic Hour do the rest. Next, choose your video size. One of the best features of Magic Hour is that it allows you to create videos up to 60 seconds long. This is something very few tools offer, which makes it stand out in the market. It's an amazing option for content creators who want high-quality videos quickly. Select the video duration and click Generate. The tool will process your image and turn it into a smooth, dynamic, and highly realistic animated video. It takes just a few minutes. From my personal experience, the output is impressive. The animation looks natural and professional. You can use these videos on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, and other platforms to reach a wider audience. These realistic videos really grab attention and help grow your engagement fast. You can repeat this process with as many images as you want. Simply upload another image, apply the same settings, and click Generate. Again, you'll get a beautifully animated HD quality video in just minutes. What makes this tool even more powerful is the time and effort it saves. You don't need to spend hours editing or upscaling. Magic Hour does it all for you. Just drag your images, generate the videos one by one, download them, and check the results. Every video will come out in HD quality, looking professional and ready to post instantly. This allows you to focus on creating more content, growing your audience, and building your brand with minimal effort. Now let's explore the text-to-video option. Click on it and paste your prompt into the prompt section. Next, select the video ratio depending on where you plan to publish your content, whether it's for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any other platform. You can also set the video duration according to your needs. There are additional customization options available, such as style and quality, but for most projects, I recommend using the quick mode. It gives excellent results and saves time. Once you're ready, click Generate and wait a minute while the tool processes your request. You'll be amazed at the final video. It will perfectly match your prompt and look clean, professional, and engaging. So why spend money on expensive apps that offer only limited features? Magic Hour AI provides a complete all-in-one solution for video creation at your fingertips. It saves you both time and money while delivering high-quality results every single time. The face swap tool is also incredibly realistic. Simply upload 2 videos and change the face with just a few clicks. It's fast, easy, and the results look natural and professional. Honestly, it's an amazing feature that delivers stunning, realistic outcomes. I highly recommend you try it and see the results for yourself. Next, try the video-to-video tool. Just upload your video and choose from a wide variety of styles like cartoon, GTA, night, street fight, and many more. Simply select the style you want and apply it to your video. The tool will automatically adjust and transform your video into that style with impressive quality. Finally, don't miss out on the lip sync feature, which is also very powerful. Upload your video first, then upload the audio you want to sync. The tool will automatically match the video's lip movements to your audio, creating a seamless and realistic result. It's an amazing feature, right? So go ahead, explore these tools, and enjoy the creative possibilities they offer. Download Filmora from any free website, no payment or credit needed. Drag and drop all your video clips into the timeline. Then add background music from the YouTube audio library, which is completely free and copyright safe. Adjust the video clips properly and sync them with the beats of the music to create better energy and flow. After that, edit the video to make it even more attractive. Add transitions between clips for smoothness, insert text overlays like titles or captions to catch attention, and apply effects like light flashes, camera shakes, and zoom-ins to increase the impact. To enhance it further, adjust the colors by boosting the contrast and saturation to make the visuals pop more. You can also add crash sounds, explosion effects, or impact sounds exactly at the action moments. Try using slow motion or speed ramping to make key scenes even more dramatic and exciting. Everything is ready now. Your video is fully edited, watermark removed, and looks amazing. Just export it in high quality and your viral short is ready. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.